So guys, finally the wait is over. IPL is today. The 16th season of Indian Premier League, a 2-month cricket begins on March 31st at Narendra Modi Stadium with the defending champion Gujarat Titan taking against Chennai Super Kings. Okay, so the big question is where to watch this IPL. Okay, so there are several options there. So what we know, we can watch it on Star Sports and Jio Cinema, and also we know that Viacom 18 has acquired the the rights to live stream the matches in India. So many of my friends were asking about where to watch this IPL because we know we have to take subscription for watching this IPL. But what changes happened this year? Like we can watch it on the Jio Cinema app, okay? And what we know, like in Jio Cinema app, even you can't you can watch the IPL without login, okay? But many friends don't know like how to install this Jio Cinema in Android TV. So what I will do, I will create a video on this. You can follow this process and watch and install the Jio Cinema app on your TV, okay? So for installing the Jio Cinema app and your smart TV or Android TV, first of all you have to make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi, like internet should work. So after checking these checks, you can install in the same way which we install in our mobile devices, Android phone. We install it via Google Play Store. So in Android TV as well, there is option of Google Play Store where you have to go and search for the specific app. In our case, we have to install Jio Cinema. So what we will do, we will give a search here. Let's wait for some time so that installation is over. Okay, now you can see it's installed. We are getting options to open it. Let's click on that open button. See, now the Jio Cinema app is loading. So the interface, initial interface will be like this, and what we can see here, we can see the banner is coming, okay? All the IPL related banner, it's the most trending thing, that's why it's coming on the top. We can see all the other sessions whatever they have created. I think all they have uploaded here. But main thing is here. I think when the IPL will start in the evening today, the match is between the CSK. Okay, the match is between the CSK and the Gujarat Titans today. So let's wait for evening. I think everyone was waiting for this. The grand what we can see, it's a festival for all the cricket lovers, and I am also MSD fan. Okay, so yeah, that is the reason I am too much excited for it. And let me know in the comment section who like which is your IPL favorite team. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching the video. What I will do, actually I have gone to stadium for watching one of IPL matches, so I will leave that video at the end so you can enjoy the video, enjoy the IPL, and happy weekend ahead. Thanks a lot. Bye.